The cost of living is constantly on the rise, which means both parents usually need to work unfulfilling jobs to have any quality in life. And this means sacrificing time with your family, even though they always need you. And it's just not fair that you're sacrificing time that you can never get back when it could be spent on more important things. I'd like to help you spend more quality time with your family by giving you the opportunity to make an online income as an online business owner that will allow you to live life on your terms. I have a 3-part video series that will show you how to find multiple sources of online income and take control of your living situation. In this 3-part video series, you will learn the 3 most common ways to make money online, how to choose which one will work best for you, and how to leverage your time and the internet to make more money. To get your copy, hit the Learn More button and leave me your name and email address, and I'll send this 3-part video series directly to your inbox. This means that the days and hours of work you set yourself and can be tailored to your lifestyle and needs. With a work from home schedule, you're not tied to any set hours, and therefore you can stay at home as needed. It's almost like your golden hours. And one advantage of this type of schedule is that you have the option to take time off when you need it. This leaves more time for personal and family activities. I myself am a father of 4 children, so I understand the pressures that come of teaching and guiding my family. And with so many responsibilities, I found it difficult to find the time, but I never lose sight of what matters most. You can grow and develop as a family by spending quality time together. It's important to find out what our children are interested in, and spending more time with our family will help create memories that will last forever and bond the family unit. Click the Learn More button and leave me your name and email address, and I'll send this 3-part video series directly to your inbox. You know how miserable life is right now, and eventually there's a chance it could end up in divorce, your children growing up hating you, and you'll be in debt. But out of all of these negative possibilities, you have the chance to act now.